Day one, festival run. 8:35 in the morning. Me and Tommy are going to get accreditation. It's important, isn't it? The correct passes at a festival.
We'd be alright, we can normally get in anyway.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah, you know.
gorgeous. It's quite good that it's there.
Is this the dressing room for while she sleeps?
This is the dressing room for while she sleeps. Welcome.
Band room, crew room, my desk, yes, band. Cheers.
Dry. Spicy.
A move around, desk against the wall, rider all there, backstage case there, that's me, hello, that's Barnsley, hello, and this man is a water boy and double driver.
So once I can just make sure.
Brand deal.
There you go. Now we can monetize. Now.
You alright there, Tom? Pushing that case. Yeah. You alright, Barnes? Yeah. Cheers.
Favourite kind of coffee, that, isn't it?
Costa. The most important part of the day, beige breakfast. Oh.
Part of the day, the world's tiniest.
Yeah. Just in comparison, that's how small my plate is. How's yours? Oh, the same.
I'm a growing lad.
Save my 12 hours of time.
Trying a new little trick today. Here's the vocal mics for Matt and Shaw on side stage. Keep the ambience nice and clean so you don't have any short stands. And the ambience LP cord to the bottom of the stands. So when the stand goes in place, hopefully that's going to point straight to the audience.
I knew this was going to happen.
Yeah.
I bloody knew it.
We're not even played yet. How have you done that already? Idiot.
That's good, guys.
Graspop! Get the fuck out!
Everybody get low! We've been whilst you sleeps. Enjoy your fucking festival. We'll see you later. Peace.
Fail. Try again.
Is this all going on?
Barnes, if you could just put that in there. Cheers, mate.
Put this on YouTube.
Whee!
Fucking bounce!